Hey guys, so happy back to school time, or if you're not going back to school, happy just going back to work time. In this video, I have 3 delicious vegan back to school or back to work recipes for you. 2 for lunch and 1 for snack, because who doesn't love a delicious vegan snack? And this video is sponsored by Thrive Market, which is my favorite online retailer of health foods and my supplements and all the things that I like to buy to keep myself healthy and happy. In this video, you'll see a lot of the products that I bought from Thrive, including some of these awesome reusable plastic bags and just eco-friendly containers to take your lunch to work or to school. And I also love Thrive Market because they give a membership to a family in need for every membership that you purchase, which I think is super cool, because even though Thrive Market has really wonderful prices, it is still a membership-based model. And the membership might not be expensive for you, but for some people, it could be. And just to make sure that those people still have access to all this healthy, organic food, Thrive Market will give them a membership for everyone that you buy. So keep that in mind when you sign up for Thrive, that you are going to be helping someone to eat healthier as well. And I have a really good discount for you guys for new members to Thrive Market. Use my link down below to get 25% off your first purchase. Guys, their prices are already super low. Now you got 25% more off, plus free shipping. Thank you guys, Thrive. And if you're already a Thrive Market member, make sure you click the other link down below and you'll get a goodie too. So let's get started with our recipes. I think you're gonna love all of these. Let's start with the zucchini burgers. First, I'll chop onion and garlic and shred the zucchini. Then I can saute these veggies in a little oil. Once the onions are transparent, you can add the shredded zucchini. While that's cooking, I'm going to blend the other ingredients in the food processor. Combine the pumpkin seeds and spices first. Then add quinoa, white beans, parsley, mustard, and lemon juice. Blend until well combined. Then add this mixture to the skillet with the sauteing veggies. Make sure you stir everything well. Now I'll let this mixture cool before forming it into patties. Once the mix is cool enough to work with, I can cook the patties on an oiled skillet for about 5 minutes on each side. Now I'll put a couple of burgers in a sandwich with tahini, cucumber, red onions, and lettuce. Wrapped in some parchment paper, this is the perfect lunch to bring to school in a reusable bag or a lunchbox. Now let's make BBQ Jackfruit. This recipe is simple and delicious and perfect as a vegan alternative for meat eaters. I'm simply going to cook the jackfruit in the barbecue sauce in a pot. I'm also going to do a little double tasking by steaming some chopped kale in the same pot. The rest of this fresh, just washed farmer's market kale I'll store in the fridge. In this reusable baggie I bought on Thrive Market, it'll last me a week. I add a paper towel to absorb excess moisture. Now I'll have the greens ready to pack for lunch for the rest of the week without having to wash them, and by composting the paper towel and the kale stems, I can do the whole process without sending anything at all to the landfill. After 5 minutes or so, the kale is cooked through, and I'll leave the jackfruit cooking for another 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's make a couple sides for our school lunches. First, I'm going to slice up some sweet potatoes and beets to make chips. A mandolin is very useful for this. You can do it with a knife as well, but you probably won't be able to work as fast or slice as thin. Toss the sliced veggies in oil and salt. And then add them to a baking sheet. You'll get a lot of slices with the mandolin, so you'll probably need at least a couple baking sheets. After baking for 45 to 60 minutes at 300 degrees, they should be nice and crunchy. Don't you guys love these bags? These are by Rezip that I got on Thrive Market. So I bought 3 different sizes. The big ones where you saw I put the kale, the sandwich size, and these cute little snack bags. I'll admit, I did eat most of the chips already, but I'm putting them in here so that, when I'm out and about, I have them. And they're nice and crunchy. They're really good. Much better than store-bought. Another great way to get sweet potatoes into your school lunch is by making wedges. Simply chop a sweet potato into sections and then slice those sections into thin wedges. Toss these in oil and sprinkle some salt on top and then roast for 35 minutes. Yum! Simple and delicious. Now let's put together our lunchbox. I'm using this beautiful tiffin I bought on Thrive Market. First, I'm going to put together a Buddha bowl. Add rice, the kale we steamed, the BBQ Jackfruit, the sweet potato wedges, and some steamed frozen corn. Top with shaved red onion. This is an incredibly tasty, wholesome, filling lunch that is sure to satisfy. In this 2-tier tiffin, I can even bring both meals with me in case I need to stay late and have my dinner too. I can take my zucchini burger and a side of chips. My school friends will be so jealous. So let me know which one of these 3 recipes you are going to try first. Hopefully you're going to try them all when you go back to school or back to work or just back to life, back to reality. I hope you love all these recipes, and if you have any questions, if you have any favorite recipes that you like to make when you go back to school or back to work, share them in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Sweet Potato Soul. And thanks again to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video. Guys, make sure you check out the link down below to get that discount and that free shipping, and give Thrive Market a try so you can make all these amazing recipes and also have these awesome bags yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Then you go,